Understanding sound sleep, a guide to restful nights. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that's all about quality rest: sound sleep. This term pops up in conversations about health and well-being, and understanding its nuances can really shine a light on English's descriptive nature. Let's get comfortable and unravel the meaning behind sound sleep. Sound sleep refers to sleeping deeply and peacefully, without interruptions. It's the kind of rest that leaves you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated when you wake up. The word sound, in this context, means thorough or profound. It's not about noise. Quite the opposite, actually. Sound sleep is the silence of the mind and body, a state of complete relaxation. A sound sleep is crucial for our physical and mental health. It's when our bodies repair themselves, and our brains consolidate memories and learning from the day. Lack of sound sleep can lead to a host of health issues, from lack of concentration to serious medical conditions. That's why emphasizing the importance of good sleep hygiene is a must in discussions about health. English is rich with sleep-related expressions. Phrases like sleep like a log or out like a light also describe deep sleep. Then there's catch some Z's, which is a light-hearted way to say you're going to sleep. These expressions add flavor to the language and offer fun insights into cultural attitudes towards rest and relaxation. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, sound sleep, and its significance in our daily lives. Remember, a sound sleep is the cornerstone of a healthy routine. We hope this video has been enlightening and that your next sleep is as sound as can be. Sweet dreams and happy learning!